yes, of course.
Do you like snow?
Snow. Oh, yes, of course I like snow. Oh! Oh my god. Oh, yeah. What was the question?
Do you like snow?
Snow. Oh, yes, I like it because
ちょっと待ってください。
now Woanjin prepare snowstorm. They are preparing now something. What will be happen? Really curious.
완진. 집중해. Can I ask you?
No. No. Okay, now you can ask.
Do you like exercise?
Not so much.
Why are you doing this?
For my health, and recently I'm feeling quite healthy to be bad. That's why I'm trying to do exercise.
I see. Have a nice exercise.
Thank you so much.
Yes. Can I ask you? Of course. Do you like exercise?
Yes, I like.
Why are you doing this?
Because I want to raise my will. So, yeah, through training, I can be stronger.
Thank you so much.
Thanks so much.
That's how we spend our great and cold days in the eco farm.
Thank you so much for watching this video.
See you next time. Mission change!